Hi everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Hope you're all having a good day today. Today I have a 12 by 12 stapled canvas. I'm going to do a diagonal swipe, but then I'm going to do a new technique. I'm going to take a comb and dip it into some silicone, and I'm going to make a chameleon cells, but in a circular pattern. I haven't seen this done yet, so this is an experiment. I have not put anything on my canvas as of yet. My swipe color is going to be yellow, and consistency makes a little mound and disappears. And let's go over the colors. I have the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. The swipe color, like I said, is Artist Select Cadmium Yellow Light Hue. Everything else is in bottles today. Liquitex Basics Alzarin Crimson Hue. Liquitex Basics, I added some red and orange to make a reddish orange color. Artist Loft Metallic Blue. Amsterdam Turquoise Green. And Amsterdam Permanent Green Deep. So let's get started. Like I said, I'm just going to make a diagonal swipe today. So there's going to be no particular pattern where the paints go. I'm going to run the paints together. And I may finish my sides later. Pouring medium today for all the paints was 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And a squirt of GAC 800 is also added to my paints, even in my squirt bottles. No silicone is being added at this point. Get a little more orange in there. Okay. I think I have enough paint on my canvas now. So I'm just going to tip and run my paints together, trying to make sure the canvas is all covered. As you know, with a swipe, you do end up covering your canvas, but just to help it along, try and make sure my canvas is covered here. Okay, looks like I have the canvas pretty much covered. Now I will do a swipe. I have a piece of plastic here, and that's what I'll do my swipe with. So I will put the yellow at the top. I put the colors on diagonally, but I am going to just do a top to bottom swipe here. Try and even run the paint over the edge here a little bit. Make sure it's all covered. Okay. Now to swipe. I'm actually just going to set this plastic on the canvas, not really push it down or anything. Just make sure it's contacted, in good contact with the paints, and just swipe. If you see a spot you don't like, you can go over it again. Okay. Okay. And now I am going to torch it. There are cells coming up. Okay, and now I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to try and get it as close to the center as I can. And it may go off the canvas, but I'm just going to push it all the way around and make a circle. Okay, that's pretty good. And now I'm going to take my silicone, and today I'm using the Mont Marte silicone, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the edge of my tray here. And I'm going to dip my comb in, trying to make sure all the tines of my comb get a little bit on it. And I'm going to try and place the tines in between the circles that I've made. And then just bring it up and dip it again. Then find a place close to the first one and dip it. And again. And I'm going to be doing this all around the circle. Just making sure that this silicone meets the canvas well. I'm going to turn my canvas a little bit. And if you notice that your silicone is getting a little low, you may have to refill it on your tray. You can use whatever silicone you have available. I know the Mont Marte silicone for me has always been very reactive, so I thought I'd give that a try. You can put as many as you want on here, as few as you want, whatever pattern you're kind of looking for. This is just fun to do. Fun little acrylic paint project to do. This would probably be a fun little project to do if you have kids or grandkids that like to paint. I'm just going over a few areas here that I think could be a little bit better. You can see the cells coming up. Okay, that's pretty good. Like I said, I will finish my sides after I let it sit a while. And I think I will torch. Again, this is just chameleon cells in a circle. And I think it turned out pretty cool looking. And I will get you down for a close-up. Again, this was a 12 by 12 canvas. You could use any size comb you'd like. Bigger or smaller. Okay, let's see what we have here. Here is the upper left-hand corner. And you see all the cells. Lower left-hand corner. We'll go right up the middle here. Look at all those cells. That looks pretty neat. And here is the upper right-hand corner. In the lower right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, or like and share. Subscribe if you haven't, so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. Ring the bell and choose all. Okay, everybody, until next time, take care. Bye.